Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, October 31st, Halloween, and the U.S. stock market is closed. And the market kind of acted like it was Halloween today. The headlines I saw in CNN was, "The bull continues to look like it's running out of steam." And of course, CNN only 3 days ago was saying something like, "The bull, no end in sight." And these guys who write this stuff, I guess they gotta say something. Anyway, we've had 3-4 very strong up days. The market made all-time highs a couple days ago. And yeah, it will run out of steam. I mean, markets go up and down, and this is absolutely to be expected. Nothing to be concerned about. Anyway, Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 73 points today. We had a crappy day, but not a horrible day. We closed out about $3,000 in losing trades, and what we closed out, and we're carrying another $2,000 in negative trade equity going into tomorrow. As I say, certainly not a great day, but we have to live through these types of things. The market just doesn't go up and up and up all the time. And the thing is, what's nice about our trading system, the method that we use to trade with, is that when that market turns around and really takes off, we make a whole lot more money than we lose on days like today. So I'm not worried. Take all the trades and we'll make out just fine. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here. And, what I was talking about, you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 really strong up days. And yesterday, of course, it definitely pulled back, and it pulled back again today, down 73 points. Market opened like it was going to maybe going positive, then it went negative. Then we had some good building action in the middle of the day, and then it just really crapped out, and this last bar kind of concerns me. I mean, that's a very strong sell-off at the end. I do not know if that means we're going to have more follow-through. A downside tomorrow, we could. If you're like to read chart waves, we got this nice move up in 4 days, and it's come back about 50%, and I just don't see anything to be concerned about that. The bull is certainly not dead by any means. This is just a case of markets going up and down. We did get into a couple interesting things. I'll show you. I don't know if this is a great trade, but it is certainly interesting. This is in Expedia, which I think of all markets today, this made the biggest gain. This thing opened up this morning, big jump up, and it is, on the open, up 18%. And hey, we do what we have to do, and we jumped in here and we bought this thing. That's a scary place to buy, but we are still showing a small profit on it. Overall, when I see a gap like that, I'd rather buy it than sell it. But a lot of people, a lot of day trader types and short-term scalpers will come in here and try and sell this kind of gap. And of course, what happens is that they put in a tight stop, and the thing tends to turn into a kind of short squeeze, which, combined with whatever fundamentals cause that gap in the first place, tends to put those people in the hole. And as on balance, I've done a lot of research on this. I'd still rather buy this kind of gap than sell it. Anyway, then we had another, and we are showing a profit in that trade. We had another really good trade today. This is in THC, that is not tetrahydrocannabinol, that is Tenet Healthcare Corporation. If it was real THC, it might even go higher. But anyway, we got a good trade going in this. We bought this 30 minutes into the market day, and it just kept going, and we are holding nearly $2,000 in THC, and that helped keep us from just having a disaster as far as our open trade equity. So anyway, not a great day, but we'll hope for better tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.